solemnly pledge
I solemnly pledge
that I dedicate myself
that I dedicate myself
to preserve the country, to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation. And I also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country,
unification of my country,
which was made possible
which was made possible
by the vision
by the vision
and action of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
and action by
I solemnly
I solemnly
resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country.
to install internal security of my country.